Hey guys, Kelly Fab here, and today I'm actually going to do an unboxing for you of something totally different and is not makeup related, which is actually kind of exciting. I have been trying to think about other videos I can do on this channel besides just makeup stuff. I have other interests in my life. I know a lot of YouTubers do, but they tend to stick to one thing. I want to be more well-rounded in that field. So I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Confetti collection box. This is huge, by the way. Like, it will hide my whole body. But here it is a huge box here. So this huge box is actually a subscription service that you can get, and on the front there is a sticker. It says 2019 Rewards. 2019 awards winner. This is the winner of the US Subscription Box Awards. And this is, it says like a website down below that you can look at like other subscription boxes that have won awards. But this, like I said, is not a makeup box. This is actually a like stationery type of box, and it has a lot of other different things in it. So I am going to unbox it for you. I'm super excited. This box is $19.99 a month, but you get well over that worth in these items. It says that you get well over $50 worth of items in here, and I actually think it's really, really fun. What I got, I did look at it. Not gonna lie, I couldn't wait. They did send this to me for free to unbox and review for you guys, so I'm gonna do that. I'm not getting any kind of money for this or anything like that. They just sent it to me to kind of show me what they have, and I'm really excited. So let's get into this box. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna stand up and show you guys how it's packaged. It is packaged so well that nothing in here, if there is something that can break, it will not break. So let me show you. This is how it is packaged, and I might as well just stand up and open it up for you. So there are these like little like snakes, whatever you call, and it is taped up. Like I said, I did previously kind of open it. I did open this. It does say Confetti collection, and then it has this. It says, prize, plan a party. If you love Confetti collection, then we know you love a good party. But why not make planning a party just as fun as the party itself? Well, we're here to tell you that you can have it all with our Plan a Party box. So call your gal pals and let's get this party started. Post your pics using Confetti collection, hashtag Confetti collection, and it says thank you. So of course I'm gonna take a picture of it using my phone right now. Now the fun part of seeing what's actually in here. I don't have a way of like telling you exactly how much everything costs. Just because it depends on where they get them from, what quality they are, stuff like that. So I don't really have like a way. It doesn't give me like a pamphlet of how much everything costs in here, which is totally okay. But I just want to let you guys know I don't have a way to add it up. So this is definitely part of the party theme. There is a bag of, or a package of napkins and matching plates. So these are like the dessert type plates, or like the salad plates as you would. These definitely can come in handy. There is 43 ply lunch napkins in here, and this one is 16 coated luncheon slash dessert plates. These are all from Lennox, and it says American by Design, C.R. Gibson. So I can definitely look those up and see how much these each are, but super cute. Like, very like, I don't know if I would pick out this flower design, but I think it's super cute. Okay, since this is party themed, of course they had to have ribbon. So this is one of those little ribbons that you would put on like a gift pack. You just peel off the tape in the back and it just sticks on there, so that's very fun. And then they give you this little, it's called Kegs of Curling Ribbon. And there is, 66 feet in here. So that's actually a really good amount of ribbon, and they match. So if you want to wrap the package in this one and then get this one on top, I think that's really cute. And you can also use this to bow out a little bit more if you wanted more of the little curly cues on there. And those are fun. I do know ribbon is very, very inexpensive though, but I think that's just a cute little touch that they put in there. Okay, and then probably one of my favorite items in here. This is like a really sturdy cardboard type box. It says make today count, and you open it up and it says memo paper. There are 200 sheets. It says today's date and to do. if you guys know me, I am a big fan of to-do lists, and I think this is so cute. And then after you're done with all the to-do list papers in here, you could definitely repurpose this for anything. You can cut up your own little memo sheets. It does pop out of here, so it's not like it's stuck in here. There is tape on the back, so if you want to just peel that out and use this for something different, you could definitely do that and then just use these separately. But I think that this is such a cute addition to this. I'm totally down for using things like this, and I will definitely use that. This is also from C.R. Gibson. I'm thinking that that's the company that supplies this box, but I can look it up. Okay, and then with this little make today count, we have a little matching to-do list, and this one is a magnetic one. So you take the plastic packaging off and you can put this on your fridge or on your locker or wherever you want. You can put it at a desk area if you have like metal walls next to your desk. I know I worked at a bank and I had one wall that was like a metal wall, and I could totally just put magnets right up there. It would have been perfect. But this one just gives you 6 little lines there in like a light peachy color, which I think is perfect because then you can still see whatever you're writing. It's not too dark. Sometimes the blue ones, like if you get a blue one, I tend to think that they're too dark to use, but I will definitely be using those as well. I love lists. They make me feel so satisfied when I wipe stuff off my list. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is probably the cutest item in this whole thing, and I probably should have saved this for last, but this is from X&O Paper Goods, a collection by C.R. Gibson. So yes, it is a C.R. Gibson. And this says, Let's Flamingo Charm Pen. How stinking cute is that? Look, there's a little flamingo charm on this pen. I can't even handle this. I have to get it out right now. So this is just like a little throwaway packaging. But this pen, I swear, you guys, look at how stinking cute this little flamingo is. Like, he is adorable. Like, I am totally gonna use this pen. It is very, very small though, just so you know. It is like one of those pens where you can actually fit in a notebook. You know those little notebook holes that are teeny tiny? This will fit in there for sure. And I kind of want to see if it writes well, because I'm a person where if my pen doesn't write well, then I'm annoyed. Oh yeah, it writes very, very nicely, and I love this cute little charm on here. That is the best part about it. Okay, I'm like loving this pen. So definitely a winner on the pen there for me. Okay, and then we have, what is this? 4 tassel paper clips. Interesting. It says, may your life be filled with one good hair day after another. That is adorable. So these, it says, message inside, wishing you the simple pleasures in life. So is this a card? This is possibly just like a good, oh yeah, it totally is. This is a card that you can send to a friend. Oh, I love that. Oh, and then there's a little paper inside. I was like, why is there an extra paper? It says, to ensure your greeting remains in tip-top shape, place protective sheet on top of cardboard before inserting an envelope. So they want you to place this right on top of there so that it doesn't ruin the tassels. That is awesome. And it comes with an envelope, obviously, that you can put it into. And these are the little paper clip backs, and then obviously that is the front. These are so stinking cute. We use paper clips every single day at my work. I would probably not use these at work because why? They would get ruined in 2 seconds. I work at a hospital. I would definitely use these in my planners that I have. I do everything with my planner, so love that. Such a cute idea, and I love that you can send it as a card as well. Okay guys, so it does look like we are in the last item that came in this, and this is a pack of 9 file folders. What a good idea. I use the manila ones that I've had forever because they're cheap, you know, affordable, whatever. But these ones are so stinking cute. The colors on them, so fun. There's 3 different designs. There's this striped design, there's one that says amazing things will happen, and think happy thoughts. So how cute is that? And it comes with these stickers on the back that you can place on here to label your file folder. So if you guys are into organizing in any sense of the name, you know that you need file folders, and we actually have our own file drawer, and I am probably gonna switch out some of my manila ones for these ones just for my stuff, because then I'll know that those are mine and not my husband's or my son's or my dog's. Yeah, we have files for everything. Anyways, this is such a cute idea, and these, if you're looking for like designs like this, I know that they can get expensive, and who wants to spend that much money on file folders? But if you're getting the box and they come with them, that would be very cool. I do know just from looking in previous boxes, they are all generally the same type of things, but they do have differing designs based on the season. They have differing things in them, like maybe they don't have file folders, maybe they have a yearly agenda instead, or whatever. They do have a lot of different things in their boxes, and I'm so excited to be working with them. I'm not even really working with them. They just sent me this and were like, hey, if you want to do an unboxing on your channel, you can. And I looked in the box and I was like, I have to now. This is so cute. So anyways, I don't have a code name for you guys to sign up. I'm so sorry. I wish I did so you guys could get a discount. I can always contact them and see if I can get one for you guys. But I know that it wouldn't be any money towards me. It would just be savings for you. But if you're interested in this, even just try it one time, just the $19.99. You're gonna spend way more than that if you go to the store and pick up all this stuff. So, but I do think it's fun. It's another little gift we get in the mail. You guys know I love unboxing because it's like a gift every time. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys go and check out this website. If not to get one, just to check it out and just kind of see what they're working with. I'm loving that other companies are doing these unboxings besides just makeup and like the bark box. Like I got the bark box forever, and then my dog stopped like using all of the things that I was getting in there, so I did end up canceling that. But how much fun is this that you get a whole bunch of stationery stuff for 20 bucks? Like, I'm just saying, it's totally worth it. And then you have a big, huge box. If you ladies, if you store your shoes in boxes and they are not big enough to store like 3 or 4 pairs, this box is totally worth it. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.